Hi, I am Dr. M. Vishnu Prakash, working as lecturer in political science at Government Degree College, Puttur. Conducting a tour is not easy and simple and requires a lot of planning, coordination, and cooperation from various stakeholders. This topic provides a sequential procedure for a tour guide to organize a tour, that is, a checklist for tourist operator. Generally, tourists expect certain measures from a tour guide to provide comfort and enjoy their stay during the tour. The tourist guide must follow some steps for the benefit of tourists and also for the convenience of all the guests that come from different parts of the world. In this perspective, the first comes initial inquiry. Any tour begins with an initial inquiry, so there will be a lot of questions from the tourists who inquire for the tourist destinations. So, the tourist guide must see that who will oversee answering questions and should establish a standard script for all phone inquiries. And he has to create a standard template that one can use for all online inquiries. If at all feasible, online inquiries have to be responded within 24 hours. The next step of this tourist plan is reservations. The tour guide must set times for reservations and decide who will be in charge of handling such reservations. Tourist guide should create a system for keeping track of reservations. A guide should create a system that will allow reservations to be promptly confirmed. He should determine the kind of tickets that will be issued. He should also utilize a mobile device as a backup for all calls received. A tourist guide should consider hiring a third party to handle phone inquiries. The next important step in the tour practice is payment systems. A tour guide must determine the allowed payment methods, for example, credit card, cash, PayPal, online payments, and checks. A tourist guide should determine the payment method for the provider, for example, invoice or cash on delivery. Before starting the tour, the tourist guide must determine the minimum number of passengers required for the tour to run. It should also be determined the number of passengers one can carry. He should decide how and when to notify external suppliers of the final passenger count. After reservations, if there is any inconvenience, the tour guide must create a system for cancelling passenger reservations. And so, a thorough cancelling policy should be adopted by a tourist guide. The tourist guide must have a detailed terms and conditions in the brochure or the policy in the tour guide program. It should be a detailed policy of terms and conditions for all the passengers. The tour guide must write the legal implication in terms and conditions. He should send a copy to all passengers before signing the tour contract. Before commencing the tour, a tour guide must make a checklist for car or vehicle maintenance. He should prepare a thorough tour summary with commentary, meet and greet etiquette, and time stops. A tour guide should create a method of verifying inventory of goods, including ordering and checking, and others. The next step comes for a tour guide is maintaining safety and compliance. Tour guide must make a safety management strategy. He should construct incident and accident protocols. He should prepare a detailed risk management strategy. He should create a plan for emergencies. The tourist guide must get a first aid kit and learn how to use it. and he should create a process for handling dangerous chemicals. A tourist guide should create a form for consumer complaints. The important checklist for tourist guide is regarding the staff and customers. Tourist guide should create thorough job descriptions for every role in the company. He should create a method for hiring, selecting, and orienting new employees. Touring guides are required to identify the staff training that will be offered. He should create a staff rostering system. Touring guide should create a consumer feedback form and plan how it should be collected. A tour guide or a tour operator should select his staff with the following qualities. The staff of the tour should be honest. They should be good communicator. The tourist operator or the tourist guide should have a charismatic personality. A tourist guide must have thorough knowledge. A tourist guide should be a good narrator. Clear understanding of native and foreign languages is must for a tour guide. He should have good sense of dressing or maintain dress code. He should have basic knowledge of geography and routes. One of the most satisfying careers in the world is that of a tour guide. A tour guide will get to work doing things that most people only get to do on vacation and get to meet incredible people from all over the world and take regularly some very breathtaking sights. Being a tour guide is an extremely difficult job that is not for everyone.